This April at the Purpose Center, something grand, glorious, and life-transforming is taking place. It's the Sound of Glory worship experience brought to you by the Voices of Purpose. Also ministering will be Kaberia and the Clan, Dr. Pete Odera and the Waterbrook team, Pastor Patrick of Judah Ministries, Nico and the Nairobi Chapel team, Solomon Sealer, JCC Worship team, Pastor Liz and the Faith Victory team, among others. Taking place at the Purpose Center Church on the 20th to the 21st of April 2014 from 6 a.m. to 6 a.m. 24 hours. Entry is absolutely free. It is good to praise the Lord and make music to your name, O Most High, proclaiming your love in the morning and your faithfulness in the night.